Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA reacted to the target range I mentioned to you. I mean, the low could be in, you know that. The low could be in. We talked about one more low here. I'm not telling you we've bottomed. I don't want to, create hope where there is no confirmation yet. We're going to zoom in, take a look at the microstructure in a minute. For anybody who is new on this channel, this is the Elliott wave structure that I give a chance. It's the bullish structure of a 1-2 setup on the larger time frame. This is the 4-hour chart. Here we can identify a potential 5-wave move up into the March highs and a corrective pullback into the recent lows, which is not clearly 3-wave like. So the problem is a little bit that length of the 4th wave. It's all valid, okay, but really we need ADA to form a low before it breaks below 29 cents. I mean, that's really it. As long as we're holding 29 cents, the bullish perspective is a reasonable one. Okay, as always with altcoins, we need to be on the side of caution. That's just normal with those altcoins. They are choppy, they are difficult, they are messy and everything, especially on the smaller time frames, and they depend to a degree on Bitcoin. Not all of them. That's definitely not all of them, and they all move in different structures, which we witness every single day. However, the pullback needs to hold above 29 cents. Talking about this correction, which started on the 13th, 14th of March. The reason is that if this is really a wave 2, then if this is a wave 2, then these wave 2s typically would finish in those support boxes. Anything below 29 cents, if the price breaks below it, would leave me without a clear indication of a bullish structure. There is no bullish, well, I shouldn't say there is no bullish support level left. There will be bullish support levels left, but no reliable ones. So the next one then would be the invalidation point. That's really key at 22 cents. But then you might ask, okay, what's the purpose of that level here, the 29 cent level? Well, again, statistically, most of these wave 2 corrections would finish in the yellow boxes here, in this case, above 29 cents or between 42 and 29, between those fib levels. Yeah? Obviously, for every coin, the prices will be different. But if there is a break below that box, then it's not invalidation, but you will be, against probabilities. Okay, probabilities will be against you if you still bet on higher prices. Well, from a reward to risk point of view, it will still be positive or attractive. It is then, in terms of probabilities, just a red flag, and it highlights that, okay, we have an increased chance of it breaking eventually. Which would only be confirmed below 22 cents, of course. So it's all probabilities. Now, at the moment, the move down, okay, happened. We have a full wave count, and the price even dipped into the region between 36 and 38 cents. That's what I mentioned to you. What I'm watching for now is for a possible break of the trend line. Now, this trend line, you need to be careful. You can draw it in different ways. So these are a bit subjective. But for me, that would be the earliest indication that a low is formed. Unfortunately, we only have 2 touch points, so it's not the most reliable one, but it seems to be following some kind of a trend to the downside. And I would use that as first indication a low is in. Better indication would be a break above 42 cents, the last swing high. And it was actually 42.2. And then what we also need to see is the first 5-wave structure. As you can see here, probably it's only a 3-wave move up. So with 3 waves and while staying below 42 cents and while staying below the trend line, all I really have is a first reaction to Fibonacci support. That's not enough. We seem to see a little bit of a recovery rally today, but yeah, it's not enough yet to say we've bottomed. But it's turned around, at least temporarily now, in the area where it needed to turn around. Okay, if we break below the, what was that here, the Monday low, then it is very likely that we're going to see a test of 29 cents. That's where it will then, get very, very decisive and very important, because the price, as I said, shouldn't break below it. But yeah, watch for these parameters that I just mentioned to you. I mean, trend line, 42 cent level, and then a 5-wave structure to the upside. Obviously, you see here, there are further trend lines that we can watch, and very, very important and solid information or confirmation that a low is formed would be a break above that 52 cent level. That's the swing high, which formed end of April. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.